Upgrade your lifestyle with smart technology.
This video wasn't edited by me. No CapCut, no Premiere Pro, no timeline. Nothing. Everything you're about to see, from the visuals to the cuts to the final result, was created by AI. And not just one video. I'm talking about generating 10, 50, even 100 videos in minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Renoise AI to generate high-quality videos, automate the entire process, and even create multiple variations for testing without touching any traditional editing software. If you're a content creator, a marketer, or even just someone who wants to create videos faster, you're going to want to see this. Let's get started. Once you log into Renoise, this is your main dashboard. And on the left side, you'll see all the core tools you need. First, we have video generation. This is where all the magic happens. You can create AI videos just by describing what you want, or by using images as input. Next, there's image generation. If you need visuals, thumbnails, or product images, you can generate them here instantly using AI. Then we have the material library. This is where all your generated content is stored. Your images, videos, and assets. Everything is saved here so you can reuse them anytime. Below that, there's usage. This shows how much you've used the platform, including credits and generation cost. And finally, we have the API section. This is for advanced users who want to connect Renoise with tools like Claude Code or automate their workflow. So basically, everything you need is right here on the left. Alright, so this is where things get interesting. Once you're inside the dashboard, this is where you actually create your video. At the top, you'll see this prompt box. This is where you describe what kind of video you want. You can literally type anything. For example, I'm going to create a simple product ad. Now below that, you have a few important settings. First, you can choose between multi-shot or start and end frame. I usually go with multi-shot for more dynamic videos. Then here you can select the model. I'm using Cdance 2.0, which is their most powerful model right now. Next, you can choose the aspect ratio. For short-form content like Reels or Shorts, I'll keep it at 9:16. And then you can set the duration. Let's go with around 10 to 15 seconds. Once everything is set, all you have to do is click Generate. And that's it. No timeline, no manual editing. The AI handles everything for you. Now let's wait for the result.
Upgrade your lifestyle with smart technology.
Alright, and here's the result. This entire video, from visuals to transitions to overall composition, was generated automatically, and honestly, this looks like something that would normally take hours to edit. But here, it's done in minutes. And the crazy part? You can generate multiple versions of this instantly, which means you can test different styles, hooks, and creatives without doing any extra work. So instead of using the web version, I'm going to switch to the Renoise desktop app. You can download it directly from their website, and once it's installed, everything is in one place. Now I'm inside the desktop app, and this is where things get really powerful. Instead of manually editing or switching between tools, I can just describe what I want, and the AI handles the entire process. So let's create a simple product ad. I'll just paste my prompt here. And as you can see, it's not just a simple command. It's actually structuring the entire video. Scenes, camera angles, lighting, even the text overlay. Everything is being generated automatically. And now let's run it. All right. And here's the result. This is a complete, ready-to-use product video. The shots, the transitions, the pacing, everything is done by AI, and honestly, this looks like something that would normally take hours to edit. But here, it's done in minutes. But this is not even the craziest part. Because inside the desktop app, you can actually scale this. But here's where things get really interesting. This is not just about creating one video. Inside the desktop app, you can actually scale this. Let me show you what that looks like. As you can see, multiple videos are being generated from the same idea. Different angles, different styles, different variations, all automatically. And this is exactly what I was talking about earlier. Instead of spending hours creating content manually, you can generate dozens, even hundreds of videos in minutes. This is a huge advantage, especially for ads and content testing, because now you're not guessing what works, you're testing everything. All right, now let's take this a step further. Instead of generating videos, you can also create high-quality cinematic images. So here, I'm going to switch to image generation. And I'll write a prompt for a cinematic action movie poster. Something dramatic. A lone hero standing in a destroyed city, explosions in the background, fire, smoke. Basically a full Hollywood-style scene. Now I'll keep the settings high quality and generate this. And here's the result. This is insane. This literally looks like a real movie poster. The lighting, the composition, the details, everything is on point. And the best part, you can use these images for thumbnails, ads, or even as assets for your videos. So it's not just video generation, you're getting a complete content creation system. So yeah, that's Renoise AI. From generating full cinematic videos, to creating high-quality images, to automating the entire workflow. This isn't just another AI tool, this is a complete content creation system. And honestly, once you start using something like this, it's really hard to go back to traditional editing. So if you want to save time, scale your content, or just experiment with AI, I've also put the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.